Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Nathan Gramatica, and I'm your reporter number 2. So let's start. Question number 1. Find S sub 36 of reality sequence 12, 23, 34, 45. So first, I found the given. The first term is 12. Common difference is 11. Number of terms is 36. Then, I use the formula S sub n equals n over 2 times 2a plus quantity n minus 1 times b. Then, I substitute my given formula, which is S sub 36 equals to 36 over 2 times 2 multiplied by 12 plus quantity 36 minus 1 times 11. Then, I solve. 36 over 2 is 18. 2 times 12 is 24. 36 minus 1 is 35 plus 9.
Sa'yo naman to, sir.
6 minus 1 is 35 times 11 is 385. I added these 224 plus 385, 409. Then I multiply 18 times 409. And my answer is 7,360. So my answer on number 1 is 7,360. Number 2. Patricia decided to lose some weight and train her gym. But the first week, she trained for 1 hour and decided to increase her training every week by 30 minutes. What is her total number of training hours at the end of 1 month? So first, I found the given. First term is 1 plus 1 hour. Then the common difference is 0.5 because 30 minutes is 0.5 hours. The number of terms is 4 since there's 4 weeks in 1 month. Then I use the formula again, like question number 1, S sub n is equal. Then I input my given. Then I put the given into the formula, which is S sub 4 is equal to 4 over 2 times 2 multiply 1 plus quantity 4 minus 1 times 0.5. Then I solve. 4 over 2 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3 times 0.5 is 1.5. Then I added this 2. 2 plus 1.5 is 3.5. Then I multiply. 2 times 3.5 is 7. So her total, Patricia's total number of training hours at the end of 1 month is 7 hours.